Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is my Friday Night Gab, and I am not live tonight. I went live last Friday, so this is a pre-recorded video, and I've got a lot to tell y'all about. I'm going to tell you first what I'm wearing. I have on Nomad. This is the Verona Amore Immorte, so Love and Death, and she's beautiful. And you know, these reds are gorgeous, but I can't really use the reds. I can't figure out how to use the reds. But I have red lipstick on. I have on my Gwen Stefani, Me, You, Yours. This is, Give. And I also, this is a lip gloss. But when you put it on, if you just give it a couple moments, it dries down. So it's not sticky like a lot of lip glosses are. So I also have a bullet lipstick of hers that I can put this over that as well. And I did use the color name of this is Original Recipe. And then I used this lip liner from Give, and it is Pout to Get Real is the name of this one. Overlining Lip Pencil. And it's in the color Say Whatever. It is not quite, it's double-ended. It has a brush on one end. It does have this very interesting, oh, I've got lipstick all over my hands. This very interesting, so it has like this guide to outline your lips. This red is everywhere, all over me. So when I put on lipstick, especially red lipstick, then what I do to prevent it from getting on my teeth is put your finger in your mouth and pull it out, and it'll get all over you. But this is very pigmented lipstick, so I have to wash my hands with some good soap, but I didn't do that yet. Anyway, so how are you? How's everybody doing? I don't know if you can hear, but it's storming here right now. We've been having summer weather already, very hot. And now it is rainy. It might be rainy the whole entire weekend. I'm not sure. It's, going to be on and off again kind of thing. I think it's going to be that way for a lot of people. Here comes Blue. Blue has not been feeling well, so it's good to see him. Hey, Lovey. He's just been a little under the weather. So how's your weather? What's going on by you? They don't have any severe storms predicted for my area. So come on through, love. So that's good. So I hope everything's good by you, and I hope that you're doing well. And would you sit down? Y'all, I had a video this week at Temu, some free things from Temu. I bought some, I had to buy some stuff to get some free stuff. I am told that if you sign up under someone as a new buyer, which means you haven't bought in 2 weeks, you delete the app from your phone and then put it back on in 2 weeks, and then you can use somebody's code. And a lot of these codes are giving you 6 free items when you buy something, and you don't have to spend a fortune. Some of those free emails, they want you to pick out 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 items, and then they want you to spend $20 or $30 each day till you get all the free items. So you have to be careful. And if you're buying stuff you want, that's great. But if it makes you buy stuff and you don't really want the stuff to buy, then it's not such a good deal to get the free stuff. I just wanted to clarify that. So, and I finally got my IPSY. That went up yesterday, and y'all, I told y'all that this happened to me last year also. I did knock myself out. I canceled my subscription. It was about to renew, and it canceled. And it happened to me last year. So, operator error. I take full blame for that. Their website some websites are easy to handle and some websites are not. And I was trying to get information, trying to get the pricing, and then it knocked me out. I don't mean it knocked me off of it knocked me off of the website. It did not do that. It canceled my subscription by me looking. So, I like when there's a few more buttons. Are you sure you want to do this kind of thing? They don't have that, so be careful. So, and I know it was my fault. Hang on a second. So I wanted to he's still right here. But I wanted to just put it out there that a lot of our people need prayer. And if you're a praying person, or you know whatever you do, a lot of people need our prayers. And Miss Jackie Russell and her husband Kevin, they really need continued prayers, as does Carol Gardner, and then several of our subscribers as well. And some have said they've commented on my videos what's going on, and some have talked to me privately. So there's some private people that, you know, if you're a praying person, please pray for them. And then like Myrna Bledsoe, she needs our prayers. She's having some health issues. Laura Story, Carolyn Parker, her father's not well. So just people to, if you're a praying person and you don't mind adding them to your prayer list, please do so. I really believe, I think if you're a praying person, then you know and you believe that prayer definitely helps. God hears our prayers, and it definitely works. So please do that if you will. And I also want to say that I'm getting a giveaway together. My subscriber count has gone wonky. It goes up. It's been going up crazy, and this happens sometimes. There's not necessarily an explanation for it. It just happens. I've seen it happen to other people. Weird stuff happens on YouTube. Weird stuff happens on YouTube pretty much every day. So thank you to those of you that have commented, left me comments, and congratulations. I do appreciate that. I'm really excited about it, but you just never know what's going to take place. So I just wanted to say that I've had a couple of videos that have gotten tremendous amounts of views on them out of nowhere. You know, I get pretty good views for my channel, for my genre. I usually get a few hundred views on my videos, but I have some that are in the thousands. And so, you know, people have joined my channel. I'm really excited about it. If you're new here, thank you. And, you know, come on down, subscribe. And, you know, I have please like my videos, share my videos out, watch my videos, comment on the videos. All that stuff helps our channels, okay? And I think that's really might be about it, y'all. I am working on a giveaway. I'll get it together. I do have some things coming, and I have IPSY. I got a couple of mystery bags. Those will be posted tomorrow, Saturday. Great bags, so check that out. And that might be about it. It is Memorial Day weekend, so think of this. I'm off for 3 days, y'all. I'm so excited. I hope that if you are a working person, that you're able to take some time off. I know some of us do have to work, and I've had to work before on the holiday. It happens to us sometimes. So I hope that you're able to enjoy some of it, if not all of it, and that you know, able to do what you want to do. Spend time with family, grill out, that kind of stuff. I hope your weather's okay. We're going to have on and off rain, so maybe not so much grilling, or, you know, might be able to grill and then run back in the house to eat it, you know. But I hope you have a wonderful weekend. So what's happening also, many, many, many sales. If you sign up on your favorite websites, you'll be getting lots and lots of emails with lots and lots of sales going on. So it's a good time to take advantage of things like that. And then sometimes on your emails, you get special codes and coupons and stuff like that. So it's a good time to do some shopping. Y'all, I'm going to do my best to relax and get some chores done around the house, you know, that kind of stuff. I don't have any big plans, and that's fine with me. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it, and I hope that you're looking forward to it as well. I hope your weather stays good, and you know, that you're able to enjoy it as much as possible. And y'all take care and count your blessings, and thanks so much for stopping by. And yeah, I also have memberships on my channel. I'll just throw that out there in case it's something you're interested in. Memberships, I have 3 levels. I have kittens. It's $1.99 a month that YouTube charges you. I have kitty cats. That is $4.99, $3.99, $4.99, $4.99, and I have lions. That's $9.99 a month. So what that does is it helps support my channel. I do try to make videos and posts for my members. I've been slacking off a little bit here lately with not feeling well and whatever, so please forgive me. But hopefully my members enjoy supporting me. I really appreciate it. It does help my channel, and it helps me to get more goodies to show you. And that's that, y'all. Take care. Have a wonderful holiday weekend. Stay safe. Remember what the weekends is about. It's about remembering our fallen soldiers, and also our just the military. I always remember the military, all the military, all the military, the Navy, all those, I Marines, all those. I remember all of them, Army, and thank them for their service. And a lot of people have died to give us freedom. So remember, that's important that we remember we're a free country because of all those that fought for us. So y'all take care and count your blessings and have a good weekend. Bye.